Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is teacher Asmalina and today I'm going to teach you English for Form 1. Today we're going to continue our English lesson with lesson for week 9 and the theme for today is health and environment. Topic today is environment. So basically today we're going to learn words and things about our environment. For our lesson today, we're going to learn 3 different parts. Okay, the first part is vocabulary. In vocabulary, you are going to learn words related to environment. Okay, after that, we are going to continue with the second part, must or must not. In this part, you are going to learn how to construct sentence using must or must not. And the last part for our lesson today is homework. This is the part where you have to answer online questions and do your homework. Okay, for the first part is vocabulary, where we're going to learn awesome words related to our environment. Okay, so for the vocabulary today, there are 12 words related to environment. I will pronounce the words and I hope you will repeat the word after me so that you can learn how to pronounce the word correctly. Okay, number 1, earth. Number 2, environment. 3, garbage. 4, pollution. 5, forest. 6, deforestation. 7, wildlife. 8, habitat. 9, 3R. 10, appliance. 11, conserve. 12, decompose. I will repeat the word one more time and please repeat after me. 1, earth. 2, environment. 3, garbage. 4, pollution. 5, forest. 6, deforestation. 7, wildlife. 8, habitat. 9, 3R. 10, appliance. 11, conserve. 12, decompose. To help you understand the words, okay, let's continue with our next slide. In the next slide, I already prepared the words, the meanings and also pictures to help you understand the words better. Okay, number 1, Earth. What is Earth? Earth is the planet on which we live or the world. This is the picture of the Earth. Okay, Earth, this is the better picture of the Earth where you can see where we live. Okay, so Earth is our home planet, third planet from the Sun, and Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed to host life. So 22 April every year is the Earth Day. So coming 22 April is the Earth Day for 2021. To get more information about the Earth Day, if you are interested, you may log in to www.earthday.org. Okay, the second word is environment. Environment is the surroundings or condition in which a person, animal or plant lives or operates. Okay, third word is garbage. Garbage is discarded or useless material. This is the picture of garbage. Garbage, also known as trash or rubbish. Garbage, trash and rubbish are the same things. Okay, these are the pictures of garbage. Okay, next, garbage from our home, from all the dustbin will be taken to a place called landfill site. This picture shows a landfill site. Landfill site also can be called rubbish dump or garbage dump. Number 4, pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. This is our earth, and this is what happens when there are environments. Okay, the earth is very sad. Next one, types of pollution. Basically, there are 4 main types of pollution. Air pollution, look at the picture. So this is air pollution. Air pollution in Malay is pencemaran udara. Okay, next is water pollution or pencemaran air. Land or soil pollution, or in Malay it is pencemaran tanah. And the next part is noise pollution, pencemaran bunyi. Okay, number 5, word 5, forest. Forest is a dense growth of trees and underbrush covering a large tract. This is a forest. Okay. Word 6, deforestation. What is deforestation? The action of clearing of forest. Okay, deforestation usually happen when we cut down trees. Okay, we cut down trees, and the land is used for farming or housing area. Deforestation. 7, wildlife. Wildlife is living things, and especially mammals, birds and fish that are neither human nor domesticated. Okay, these are examples of wildlife: elephant, lion, rhinoceros, giraffe and others. Okay, number 8, habitat. The place or environment where a plant or animal naturally or normally lives and grows. Number 9 is 3R. What is 3R? 3R is reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Okay, reuse. What is reuse? Reuse is guna semula. Use, guna. Re means semula. Guna semula. Reusing and giving a new purpose to old materials is one of the best ways to help the environment. Examples: reusable bags. Okay, this is example of reusable bags. Okay, reusable bags where we can use the bags again and again. Reusable beverage containers. Okay, example: reusable beverage container. Okay, next one is recycle. What is recycle? Recycling is the process of converting recyclable materials into new ones and objects. It helps to reduce the pollution caused by waste. What is recyclable materials? Recyclable materials is bahan boleh dikitar semula. For example, cans, paper, glass bottles and jar, and also plastics. Besides this, there are many other materials that can be recyclables. Okay, so this is the examples of recycling bins. We have red for plastic, glass, paper and metal. Word 10, appliance. What is appliance? Device or piece of equipment designed to perform a specific task. Okay, so one equipment to do a specific task. Okay, for example, toaster to toast a bread. Okay, next, word 11, conservation. A careful preservation and protection of something. Conservation means pemuliharaan. Okay, number 12 and the last word for today is decompose. What is decompose? Make or become rotten, decay or cause to decay. Okay, this picture shows the process of decompose. What is decompose in Malay? It is mereput. Okay, next part is we're going to continue with the second part for our lesson today about must and must not. Must not also can be read as mustn't. Okay, must is usually used to say that something is necessity, rules, or obligation, or also can be used when something is true. So when we are going to write about rules, about obligation, we can use must. How to construct sentence using must? Okay, you can follow these simple rules. Okay, so the first one, you have to write subject. Second, must. 3, root verb. What is root verb? Root verb is verb without the endings. For example, eat. Eat is root verb. Eats is not a root verb. Eating, not a root verb. Okay, another example, if I have the word cook. Cook is the root verb. Cooking, cooks is not a root verb. Object, rest of the sentence. Again, subject followed by must, root verb, object, rest of the sentence. Okay, so let's look at the examples together. Okay, number 1, we must protect the earth. We, subject, must, root verb, protect the earth, object. So this is a short sentence without rest of the sentence. Okay, so we must protect the earth. Second example, you must switch off fan when you leave. You, subject, must, switch off, root verb, object, fan when you leave. Okay, when you leave is rest of the sentence or the details. Okay, the third sentence, subject, we must plant trees to save earth. Okay, let's look at number 4. We must throwing rubbish into dustbin. Okay, students, look at the sentence. We must throwing rubbish into dustbin. Do you think the sentence is correct or incorrect? Okay, look at the sentence. Is it correct or incorrect? Yes, the sentence is incorrect. Why do you think the sentence is incorrect? Because the word throwing is not a root verb. Remember, after must we should use root verb. So the correct sentence is we must throw rubbish into dustbin. Okay, the last example for this slide, example number 5, we must to protect animals. Okay, read again. We must to protect animals. Is this correct? What do you think? Good. It is incorrect. Why? Because of the word to. Remember, after subject, must, we should not write to. We should write the root verb, which is protect. So, we must protect animals. Okay. Next is must not or mustn't. Okay, so what is it? It is a negative form of must. Okay, used to indicate that something is forbidden. Forbidden in Malay is dilarang. So how to construct sentence using must not or mustn't? Okay, the same as must previously, like must, but we just change must to must not. Okay, subject, must not, root verb, object, and rest of the sentence. Okay, examples number 1, we must not kill animals. Okay, we, subject, must not, root verb, kill, object, animals. Okay, number 2, longer sentence, we mustn't throw rubbish into the river. Subject is we, must not or mustn't is the same thing. Root verb, throw, object, rubbish, rest of the sentence, into the river. Okay, next one. The next example, you must not cut down trees in the forest. Okay, sorry, spelling there. So trees is tree, TREES. Okay, you must not cut down trees in the forest. Okay, look at example number 4. You must not leave any rubbish. Is this correct? Okay, so students, try to read the sentence again and try to decide whether the sentence is correct or incorrect. You must not leave any rubbish. Is this correct or incorrect? Yes, number 4 is also incorrect. Why? You must not leave any rubbish. Look at the word leaves. It is not a root verb. So the correct answer is you must not leave any rubbish. Okay, number 5, the last one. You must not make noise after 9 p.m. How about this one? Is this correct? What do you think? Yes, it is also incorrect. Why? No, is not correct. You must not make noise after 9 p.m. Remember, when you want to construct sentence, subject, must not, root verb, object, and rest of the sentence. Okay, let's continue for our last part for today, that is the homework. Okay, so the first task that you have to do, task 1, list 10 ways to save earth using must or must not. Okay, ways to save earth. Number 1, we must not throw trash on the street. We must use public transport. Okay, task 1. So this is your homework number 1. Homework 1, list 10 ways to save earth using must or must not. I already gave you 2 examples, so you should list another 8 ways to save the earth using must and must not. Okay, task 1. Task 2, look at the task 2 here. Answer English module, page 9, part 4, short answer. This is the examples of English module, page 9, part 4. Okay, so for short answer, what you have to do to answer this kind of question is, first, you have to read the text. Okay, read the text carefully. Okay, after you are done with the text, okay, look at the question. Okay, so question 1 to 8. There are 2 parts for this question, 1 to 8. And also 9 and 10. Okay, look at 1 to 8. Okay, choose no more than 3 words or a number. So in each blank, you should only fill in with no more than 3 words. If you write more than 3 words, your answers are wrong. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, please answer these all questions. And question 9 and 10. Okay, for question 9 and 10, complete the table below with a word from the text. Okay, so the question 9 and 10, the question give you meaning. For example, number 9, to decay, break down naturally. So you look at the meaning. What is decay, break down naturally? Decay means mereput. So you have to look at the text again. Read the text again. Find one word that have the same meaning as decay. Okay, and write the answers here. Okay, one word, no more than one word. If you write more than word, your answer is wrong. Okay, number 10, machines or device that are designed to do a particular thing in home. So sama juga, same thing. You find one word that have the same meaning as number 10 from the text and write your answers here. Okay, that is task 2. Okay, next, your homework for today. Okay, so your English homework for today. Number 1, there are 3 homework for today. Number 1, answer online question. Okay, so where is the online question? This is the link for the online question. Okay, so this is the online question. Okay, so what you have to do is answer all of the question. Part 1, A, B, C, D, and E, and scroll down until you find the word finish. You have to push the word finish and you will get your mark. Okay, make sure you remember your mark as you are required to fill in your mark in the attendance form. Okay, your mark from number 1 will be needed when you are going to fill in Google form for your attendance. For your attendance, okay, fill in Google form in the link here. Okay, for number 1 and number 2, your teacher, respected teachers, will provide you the link. Okay, number 3, the task from previous slide. Remember, task 1, construct sentence using must and must not. Do in your grammar book and hand in to your respected English teacher. Task 2, answer questions in English module, page 9, part 4, and short answer. Hand in to your English teacher also. Okay, if you have any problem, please ask your respected teachers via your own English group. Okay, that's all for today, and well done guys, because you are a very good students. Okay, so and next one, thanks, and please remember every small actions counts, and please protect the environment together. Okay, that's all for today. See you again next time. Bye.